Apple is now selling its standalone ear cushions for the AirPods Max, so you can accessorize your luxury $550 headphones. By the way, still can't get them. We have a bunch. I'm going to do a giveaway. We have too many of these.
Sure.
But you still can't buy them. They're backed up on order.
Really?
Tim Cook said he's working on it in the investor call that took place, the earnings call. But you can buy the accessories. They have launched on the website, available for delivery in a number of colors, so you can mix and match your style and pay $70 for an ear cushion.
For one or two?
No, you two. It's cushions plural. There's an S.
Cushions, right?
Two cushions for $70. It's a bargain, Will.
Yeah.
See, this is how Apple remains in that position that it's in with the brand value and such. It all starts with $70 ear cushions. No, but in all seriousness, I like the fact that it's a magnetically attached ear cushion and replaceable. It's better than when you have a really expensive headphone. It does come into question, what's the upkeep? You don't want to buy a whole new set if all of a sudden your ear cushion gets nasty, which it's a fabric, so it can.
Right.
So making it easily interchangeable is something I like. I don't know what the price should be. Should it be $70? Well, the headphones are $550, so yeah, it can be $70.
You should be able to mix and match, not just buy one pair of a color. You know?
Oh, you want one of each now? Well, chances are
like if you pay $69,
Yes.
you can have the option to have one black and one red.
Well, here's the thing. You already have black currently, your old ones. So if you bought like red, you could do that because you would have two reds and two blacks.
Different colors.
You want even more options.
Just a more of an array of colors.
Well, anyway, here's the availability right now. You got to buy two at a time. You can get it in black, blue, green, the pinkish red color, or the silverish white. If you scroll down, you can see what some of the custom looks look like. So you have the green on the pink headphones, or you have the red, which also looks like pink on the black headphones. And actually, the white on the blue looks okay out of that particular lineup. Mm-hmm. But the main thing here is, I guess, you can not be as concerned that your investment could be busted up and it's going to remain looking clean, and you can replace the ear cup and send $70 towards Apple, or forget about the ear cup and send $70 towards GameStop.
Yeah. No advice here.
Although no one will let you right now. God, I don't know why it's got me so fired up. It's just so interesting. I was just streaming through the news this morning. I think it's the collective amount of energy being focused in this direction. It's rubbing off on me. It's rubbing off on me.